Hello, welcome to another video from Phace Installations. Now we get customers come from all over the country, but this one's come from France. So this is winning so far for the furthest distance travelled. Now we're going to take that brake light out and add a reverse camera into this. Pretty straightforward for us in this, no camper conversion. And we're going to integrate it into the factory screen. So if you've got a Vauxhall Vivaro, Renault Traffic, that kind of vehicle, and that's your display inside, we're going to integrate that reversing camera into that screen. So we'll take that brake light out, put a camera in the middle, all molded, looks really neat and tidy, but we're going to integrate it in that screen. So it will be the ultimate factory upgrade. So as soon as you put it in reverse, there's absolutely nothing now, but when we've done what we need to do, it'll be brilliant. Okay, welcome back. So we've done everything we need to do. Let's show you around this vehicle. So there you go. There's the reverse camera. So we take, as I said, we take the brake light out, put a brand new brake light in with integrated camera, run all the wiring to the front of the vehicle, power it all up, and then we code it to that screen to make sure it will operate. Now you can adjust the angle of this lens just a little bit, tweak it by pushing it left, right, up or down if you want to just get the angle completely right so you can see the bumper. Now if we jump in the vehicle, find the keys, so we've not replaced any display or anything, we've just integrated it into that screen. Fire it up. Factory systems are so slow to load. Right, if we put the vehicle in reverse, up pops the camera. Look at that. So you can see the whole of the back of the vehicle and the bumper and how close you are to that other vehicle. Absolutely fantastic. Take it out of reverse, off it disappears. Now if we drive forward, let's just get away from this vehicle a bit. Then as we drive forward, we'll put it back into reverse just to give you a bit of an idea of what it's like when you're backing up in case there's any objects. Now if you'd just had sensors, you'd be thinking, oh, it's detected the bush or anything like that. So this is why it's vital when you can't see out of a rear view mirror that you've got a camera, especially on a van. Simple as that. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.